Hello class, I'm making a change to the discussion board prompt. So when I came in here, some students are submitting their paragraphs properly, but others weren't. And I'm like, why are so many students not doing this properly? So I think it's something I had done. So I went back into the prompt and in the video, when you get to 3 minutes and 42 seconds, it will go over this more in detail. But right now where I have the possible format, it's not possible. I'm going to change it to required format. I want your paper to look like this. Now, set the stage, give the title of the novel and authors to your readers. You don't need to do that because you're writing an argumentative paragraph. And if that's in an essay, you have already given the title. But if you want to give the title and the author, go ahead. I'll show you what I mean in a second. But I want all of this done. It is required. Let me show you what another student has done. I want to make this a little smaller. Oh, excuse me for a second here. So your paragraph should be set up like this, and it'll make more sense after, again, you watch the video prompt. And again, it starts really at 3:42 for this part. And you'll have the document there as well that you should look at. You should actually make a copy of it. So anyway, so this is an opposing views. We are countering and refuting. So you should have part 1, introduce the opposing argument. Here's what she has done. Opposing views may claim that, blah, blah, blah. Part 2, give the evidence for the opposing view. Then you're going to counter that argument or refute or spin it back to your pro, and again, this will make more sense if you haven't watched the prompt already. And then part 4 is the conclusion, and then you want to have your work cited, okay? And for set the stage, excuse me, again, this is a paragraph within an essay, so if you don't want to put into, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou, excuse me, you don't need to, because this is part of a bigger essay and you should have introduced the title and Angelou in the introduction paragraph. So again, I'm changing to this, excuse me, let me move this, from possible to required format. Follow the other students, follow this. And again, these helpful words will come from the document, and you will understand what I mean by the document when you watch the video prompt if you haven't watched it already. Thanks everybody. Sorry about that.